Have you ever watched a hockey game and wondered why they always move the face-off to a different spot? Don't worry, I got you. My name is Alex, I'm a Canadian living in Europe, and I'm here to teach you everything you need to know about hockey. Today's lesson, why face-off happen in different spots. The location of the face-off depends on why the play was stopped. But first, it's important to know where face-off can happen. So you have one in center ice, then you have four between the two blue lines in the neutral zone, and then you have four in the two zone. These are the big red circle. Now, let's jump in. This is probably the easiest one. They happen after a goal or at the beginning of each period. If your team is attacking and goes offside, the face-off would be taken outside the blue line. And it happened on the left or the right, depending on where the offside happened. If a team commits an icing, the face-off would be taken all the way back in the team's defensive zone. And just like the offside, the face-off would be on the left or on the right, depending on which side the puck was iced from. If a goalie freezes the puck after a shot, the face-off stays in that team's defensive zone. And once again, if the goalie freezes the puck on the left, the face-off will happen on the left, and vice versa. If there's a penalty, most of the time, the face-off will be taken in the offending team defensive zone. This one depends on where it happened and who did it. If this happened in the neutral zone, the face-off will be taken in the nearest neutral zone spot. If it happens when a team is on offense, the face-off will be taken in the nearest offensive zone spot. But if the stoppage is created by the team that is attacking, the face-off would be taken outside the zone. Here's an example. If the attacking team shoots the puck over the glass, the face-off would be taken outside the zone. If there's an illegal hand pass in the offensive zone, the face-off would be taken outside the zone. This is what you need to keep in mind. In general, if the stoppage is created by a team that is attacking, they get punished by having the face-off outside the zone. If a player touches the puck with a high stick, the face-off is normally happening in the nearest neutral zone spot. If the puck gets trapped and the referees loses sight of it, the play is stopped and the face-off happens in the nearest spot. When this is a little cheat sheet for you to save for next time you're watching a game. Don't forget, if you want to become the hockey expert in your friend group, make sure to follow